Today we hosted a birth certificate clinic in conjunction with the Homeless Advocacy Project. We help their clients apply for replacement birth certificates for themselves, their children, and other family members. We are really getting involved in the front end to help them start the process back to self-sufficiency.
Twice a year we have about 40 to 50 volunteers from 12 to 13 different corporations who are here serving about 200 clients. I will say that PECO is probably our best pro bono partner of all 42 partners that we have.
We spread the costs of applying for the applications out among all of our volunteers so that we are doing not only the good work of helping them apply, but we're also picking up the costs of the application, which can be burdensome. Here at PECO and at Exelon, it is truly part of the culture to give back to the community, to help support the communities we serve. There is never a problem with people who work here taking time out of their workday to serve the communities through our strong community service and pro bono programs. I'm Matt Gutt, and I power our community.